Zebra stripes, more than just a fashion statement, zebra facts. Zebras are renowned for their distinctive black and white stripes, but these patterns serve purposes beyond aesthetics. Fly deterrence. Research indicates that the stripes may confuse biting flies, such as tsetse flies and horseflies, making it harder for them to land on zebras. This reduces the risk of disease transmission from these pests. Thermoregulation. The contrasting colors might help in regulating body temperature. The black stripes absorb heat, while the white stripes reflect it, creating air currents along the zebra's body that aid in cooling. Reddit. Social interaction. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, which may help individuals recognize each other, strengthening social bonds within herds. Species and distribution. There are 3 main species of zebras, each adapted to different habitats across Africa. Plains zebra, Equus quagga. The most widespread species, found in savannas and grasslands from southern Ethiopia to eastern South Africa. Mountain zebra, Equus zebra inhabiting mountainous regions of Namibia and South Africa, they are adapted to rugged terrains. Grevy's zebra, Equus grevii, the largest and most endangered species, residing in semi-arid grasslands of Kenya and Ethiopia. Wikipedia. Diet and foraging behavior. Zebras are herbivores with a diet primarily consisting of grasses. Digestive system. Unlike ruminants, zebras have a single-chambered stomach but can process large amounts of low-quality forage efficiently. Feeding habits. They spend a significant portion of their day grazing and can survive on coarse vegetation that many other herbivores avoid. Social structure and behavior. Zebra social structures vary among species. Plains and mountain zebras live in stable family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their offspring. Grevy's zebras exhibit a more fluid social system, with males maintaining territories that attract females for mating. Communication among zebras includes vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. Grooming behaviors help strengthen social bonds within groups. Reproduction and lifespan. Breeding. Zebras typically give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 to 14 months. Grevy's zebras, in contrast, Grevy's zebras have a more fluid social structure. Adult males establish and defend territories, mating with females that enter their domain. These territories are often centered around vital resources like water sources. Females may traverse multiple territories, especially when not rearing young. Wikipedia. Across all species, bachelor groups composed of non-territorial males are common. These groups serve as a social structure for males not currently leading harems or holding territories. Wikipedia. Reproduction and lifespan. Zebra reproduction is characterized by certain commonalities across species. Gestation. The gestation period ranges from 11 to 13 months, after which a single foal is typically born. Maturity. Females reach sexual maturity between 3 to 4 years of age, while males mature slightly later. Lifespan. In the wild, zebras can live up to 25 years, though this can be shorter due to predation and environmental factors. In captivity, with optimal care, they may live up to 30 years. Conservation status and threats. Zebra populations face varying degrees of conservation concerns. Grevy's zebra, classified as endangered, with an estimated population of around 2,250 individuals as of 2020. Major threats include habitat degradation, competition with livestock, reduced water sources, infrastructure development, disease, and poaching. Mountain zebra, listed as vulnerable, facing threats from habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as competition with livestock. Plains zebra, while more numerous, they are not without threats. Localized issues such as overhunting and habitat encroachment pose risks to certain populations. Conservation efforts are ongoing, focusing on habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and community engagement to promote coexistence between humans and zebras. Zebras are integral to the ecosystems they inhabit, and understanding their behaviors and challenges is crucial for their conservation. Lifespan: in the wild, zebras can live up to 25 years, while in captivity, they may live longer due to the absence of predators and consistent food supply. Predators and defense mechanisms. Zebras face predation from lions, hyenas, leopards, and cheetahs. Defense: their primary defense is to flee, but they can also deliver powerful kicks and bites when cornered. Group vigilance: living in groups allows zebras to watch for predators collectively, increasing their chances of survival. Conservation status and threats. Zebra populations are affected by habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock. Grevy's zebra, classified as endangered, with populations declining due to habitat degradation and hunting. Mountain zebra, listed as vulnerable, facing threats from habitat fragmentation. Plains zebra, considered near threatened, with some populations declining due to human activities. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and community-based initiatives to promote coexistence between humans and zebras. Human interactions. Historically, zebras have been hunted for their skins and meat. Today, they face threats from habitat encroachment, fencing that disrupts migration routes, and competition with livestock. Additionally, zebras are sometimes captured for the exotic pet trade, despite being wild animals not suited for domestication. Unique cases and cultural impact. Tira the polka dot zebra. In 2019, a unique zebra with a polka dot pattern, named Tira, was spotted in Kenya's Masai Mara National Reserve. This rare coloration is due to a genetic mutation known as pseudomelanism. Zebra hybrids. Zebras can interbreed with other equines, resulting in hybrids like zorses, zebra horse, and zonkis, zebra donkey. These hybrids are usually sterile and combine traits from both parent species. Zebra stripes. More than just a fashion statement. Zebras are renowned for their distinctive black and white stripes, but these patterns serve purposes beyond aesthetics. Fly deterrence. Research indicates that the stripes may confuse biting flies, such as tsetse flies and horseflies, making it harder for them to land on zebras. This reduces the risk of disease transmission from these pests. Thermoregulation. The contrasting colors might help in regulating body temperature. The black stripes absorb heat, while the white stripes reflect it, creating air currents along the zebra's body that aid in cooling. The Times of India. Social interaction. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, which may help individuals recognize each other, strengthening social bonds within herds. Species and distribution. There are 3 main species of zebras, each adapted to different habitats across Africa. Plains zebra, Equus quagga, the most widespread species, found in savannas and grasslands from southern Ethiopia to eastern South Africa. Mountain zebra, Equus zebra, inhabiting mountainous regions